Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, how is everyone doing today? Today we will be making banana nut bread, soft, yummy and very easy to make. First we will go ahead and mix all the dry ingredients. We are going to go over all the dry ingredients, okay? First I have this flour. It's all-purpose flour, 1 3/4, okay? A flour you could in India we call maida in Hindi, and white flour in other countries, some of the flours, pastry flours, some other countries, okay? So whatever you call, this is all-purpose flour for us, okay? And then we are gonna add half a spoon of baking soda. It's not a baking powder, it's a baking soda, half a spoon, and half a spoon of salt. And we have a baking powder over here. That's a baking soda. I mixed half a spoon. We're gonna put 1 spoon of baking powder. This is 1 spoon of baking powder. Let's take 1 spoon of baking powder. Not the full spoon, okay? That's enough. One spoon of baking powder, okay? And always make sure your baking powder is not expired. Like the date over here is February 2024. If this date is expired, it's not going to work for you. It's not going to puff your pastries or bread, whatever you make it. So always be careful with that, okay? And we're going to mix all these ingredients first, dry ingredients, properly. And we keep aside. Then we're gonna go to wet ingredients. Okay, that's it. I'm just gonna mix it with again with the wet flours. Okay, then we're gonna take the wet ingredients. I have a butter, half a cup. And I have a sugar over here, 2/3 cup of sugar, okay? And I have this brown sugar. It's cane sugar. It's not even brown sugar, it's a cane sugar. It's not processed sugar. So we're gonna mix that one. So we're gonna first mix this one really good. So it has to mix like at least 2 to 3 minutes, really good, so it can become very soft and fluffy. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we're gonna put it on the low. Until it gets like a soft, really soft, like a creamy. See how it's becoming fluffier and changing the color, like a white is becoming a more whiter. So we're gonna go a little speed. We're gonna put a little bit higher speed now. We started with the low speed. You have to do it a good 2 minutes at least, 2 to 3 minutes. You can go a little bit more higher. Oh, look at that, so fluffy and nice. Now we can add 1 spoon of vanilla extract. It's a pure vanilla extract. We're gonna use 1 spoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. Okay, and also we have 2 large eggs, room temperature. Try to take all the ingredients in room temperature, your butter and your eggs. Eggs you always try to break it in a smaller bowl to see if they're good. Sometimes they're not good. Very rarely, but still. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. See, one egg. So we're gonna put one more egg. Put 2 eggs. And we're gonna do it again. Beat up for a few minutes, few seconds. Just mix properly. While we are mixing all this, I already put the oven to preheat on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So then I have over here 3 ripe bananas for the banana bread. You need very ripe bananas like this. I left it on the counter for a few days, so they're really soft, and if you touch it, they're gonna be falling apart like that. And if you don't have ripe bananas, and if you wanted to make right away, you can take your fresh bananas and put in the oven 350 degrees for 10 minutes, so they will become soft like this. Okay, so this. So we have all 3 bananas. Look how soft they are. Very mushy and soft. That's why it's supposed to be. You have to leave it on the countertop for a couple of days. Okay, so you just mix it with a fork, soften with a fork. It's very easy and very fast, very quick. Even the kids can make this too. And it's very good for the breakfast, or maybe sometimes in the tea, with the tea in the evening, tea, coffee. Usually Starbucks sells this kind of banana bread. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We're gonna mix this. Okay, now we're gonna mix it again. Okay, now we're gonna start adding the flour in there, little bit at a time, not the whole thing. Okay, we're gonna add half of it, then half again. Okay, I have 2 spoons of milk, room temperature. This makes a little bit moisture your bread. Okay, I'm gonna add rest of the flour in there. Okay, all the flour is mixed in there properly. Now we are gonna put walnuts. We have 1 cup of walnuts. I'm gonna put half of the walnuts inside and half I'm gonna put it on the top. Okay, so this is a half cup. We're gonna put it in there. Then we are gonna put this on the top. So I'm not gonna mix very much, but just a little bit, so I do not want to break walnuts that much. So just a little bit to incorporate all the walnuts in there properly. Mix properly. Okay. I already prepared the pan with the flour. I put some oil and I put the flour in there. So it's dry flour. Now we can put all this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bread mixture. Okay. A little bit like this. Okay. Now we are gonna put rest of this walnuts on top of it. I have some, put a little bit like this. I have some quick oats over here. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit, so it's gonna look nice and pretty when it's baked. And also you can put sesame seeds if you want to, or maybe pistachios. It's gonna look pretty when you bake it. Okay, let's go put it in the oven and bake it for 40 minutes on 350 degrees. Okay, my oven is hot. So on 350 degrees, so I'll put it for 40 minutes. We'll come back after 40 minutes. Okay friends, this looks so beautiful. It's finally done. It took like one whole hour to cook. So let's see. See, it came out clean. Skewer came out clean. The wooden skewer, I put it in there. It came out clean. There's nothing on it, so it's cooked completely inside. So we are gonna wait until it cools down. Then we are gonna slice it. Then I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, friends. Our yummy banana nut bread is ready. So try it. I think you're gonna like it, and it's very easy to make it. Anyone can make it. And if you like my recipes, please click like and share, and definitely subscribe if you are visiting my channel. Okay, see you next video. Bye.